Welcome viewer. Yes, here's the breaking news. Our Fosak TV found a chairman badly attacked by groups of miscreants people at his residence in California. They came with armed and loudly used slang languages because the ones after heard their slang, Kevin May comes into his house, then they started far to kill him. Really, we condemn such types of efforts and intimate to the American administration for protection of our beloved founder chairman of Kevin Cole. Yes, Kevin Cole is an ex-Navy person. He served his motherland India during 7 years as a lieutenant. So those peoples may identify and interrogate by IFB. Yes, last Sunday, Kevin arranged a unity car rally for support the farmers' bills to modernize farming in India. For the same, 94% of Indian farmers support new bill. But in India, some states like Punjab and Haryana, farmers sat in protest near border of capital of India, Delhi. Honorable Prime Minister of India repeatedly appealed to all protesters the bill made for their benefit. But day by day, the protests spread in other states of India. But our observation regarding these burning issues, every people's rights for protest or support peacefully of any issues in India or America have democratic rights. But why those anti-national peoples want the get laws in their hand, maybe behind the scene, black hand of other country? What Kevin told, please be with us and hear carefully. This farmers movement is being hijacked by supporters of the Khalistan movement of the 1980 and supported by the ISI of Pakistan, which is overseas, and also by the George Soros Foundation, who all only one thing they want to achieve is to divide India. In the protests, the American leaders of raping their daughters and killing them, all for good leaders and numbers. One in the American leader in the USA, Kevin Kishore Cole, with his life and murder his family too, and rape his daughters too, if he has done so. This all needs to be stopped nowadays. Regarding the same, we also informed to Indian government, please investigate the burning issues which is now spread all over the world, and with folded hand appeal to all political parties in India, please sit together and arrange to stop the protest rally and make the necessary amendment of the bill, which is very much SOS for save our country. Lastly, give a strong message to all miscreants people who work camp for murder Kevin Kishore Cole. You will be get punished from American government very soon. BN's report, Fosak TV USA.